Good evening, friends. Today, let's continue with where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday, I have discussed some part related to identities in algebra. So today, let us continue with that particular part. Right, have a look at it. It is given that if a power x, it is looking like this. If 2 power x equal to 3 power y equal to 6 power minus z, then 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is how much? So before we going for this, let's understand the basic that is needed for this one. Let us go ahead with, say suppose you are having some relation like this. If a power x is equal to b power y is equal to c power z and say suppose you have some relation like this. First one, AB is equal to C, AB is equal to C, AB equal to C, A into B equal to C, let us say. If you have some relation like this, you simply take this way. What is the power of A here? X. You take it as 1 by x. If at all you have into here, you take plus here. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to whatever is there on the other side, equal to, what is the power of C here? Z. So you write it as 1 by z. So this I can say it as 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by z. Similarly, say suppose you have a relation like this. A by b equal to c. If at all you have multiplication here, you put plus. If at all you are having division here, you put minus. So what is the power of A here? X. So you take it as 1 by x. You have division, so that will be minus 1 by y is equal to, this side it will be power of C is z, so it will be 1 by z. No sir, I don't have A into B equal to C. Say suppose I have something like this, other relation. Like A square is equal to BC is the relation, let us say. A square equal to BC, let us say. In this case, what I should do is, whatever is there over here, like A square is equal to BC here. So here the relationship between A, B and C is given as A power x equal to B power y equal to C power z, and we know that A square equal to BC. In this case, what you have to take? You just take whatever is there in the power of A here, that you should take in the numerator, by whatever is the power that is there, that should be taken in the denominator. So 2 by x is equal to 1 by, power of B is 1, 1 by, what is the power? Y, 1 by y, plus, this is into, that's why I am taking plus 1 by z. Like this you have to take the relations. There is a theorem behind it, how it has come, but knowing this much is sufficient for you to crack the question here. Let us go ahead with this problem now. So what is given over here? It is given that 2 power x equal to 3 power y equal to 6 power minus z, then 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is what? So if you observe it carefully, in place of A I have 2, in place of B I have 3, in place of C I have 6. Hence I can now say that it is looking like A into B is equal to C. It is as simple as A power 1 into B power 1 equal to C power 1. Focus only on A, B, C's. Keep aside the powers. So here, what you should do? 1 by, what is the power of A in the given relation? In place of A I have 2. What is the power of 2 here? X. You take it as 1 by x. You have into, so put plus here. Next, 3 power y. So in place of B I have 3, power of B is 1 by power of B there is what? Y is equal to 1 by power of 6 here is what? Minus z. So if you extend it further, it will come out to be 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to minus 1 by z. Sending that one this side will give you what? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to what? 0. This will be the relation that we are going to get. They are asking you for 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Its value will become how much? 0. So the only thing you have to do here is first you establish the relation. What is the relation you have? So base is 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Some relation like that is there. That is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 equal to 6 power 1. Whatever are the powers that are there over here, that should be kept in the numerator. Whatever are the powers that are there over here, they should be kept in the denominators respectively. If at all you have into in the relation, you take plus here. If at all you are having divided by, you take the relation as minus over here. So this relation will hold good always. This when you are sending on to the left side, that minus 1 by z will become plus 1 by z. Hence overall this value will become equal to what? 0. And please remember, this relation we will try to apply only if you are having some relationship between this a, b and c like this, like a into b equal to c or a square equal to bc, some relation like that, right? Please make a note of it. And please tell me if there is any doubt. Yeah, good evening everyone. Getting it? Any doubt? You can leave the message in the chat box if there is any doubt. Shall I move on to the next one? Clear? Chalo. Going for the next one. So here, it is if 3 power x equal to 9 power y equal to 81 power z, then 1 by 3x plus 1 by 6y plus 1 by 12z equal to 57, and then find x. So here please observe, here it is looking like a power x is equal to b power y equal to c power z, but the relation is not like 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z like that. So what you have to do is, there is a scope for us to make the bases equal here, just make them equal. So if you can equate the bases here, that can be written as what in the powers of 3, that is 3 power x, that is 9, 9 is nothing but 3 square whole power y, so that will be 3 power 2y. That is equal to 81 is nothing but 3 power 4, that is equal to 3 power 4z. We know that in indices, if the bases are equal, powers will be equated. As the bases are equal over here, I can equate the powers. Hence, I can confidently say that x is equal to 2y is equal to 4z. This is the relation we have. What is being asked over here? What is given? What is the other relation that is given? So 1 by 3x plus 1 by 6y plus 1 by 12z. 1 by 12z is given as how much? Is equal to 15 by 17 they give. 15 by 17. So here you have 3x, 6y, 12z. You try to convert everything into 3x. To convert this into 3x, you just triple this relation here. If you are multiplying every term with the same number, the relation remains same. So 3x equal to 6y equal to 12z I can say. By multiplying each term with 3, the relation still will remain as it is. Now we know that 6y is equal to 3x, 12z is also equal to 3x. You substitute 3x over here. So this will be 1 by 3x plus again it will be 1 by 3x plus again it will be 1 by 3x. This is equal to what dear? 15 by 17. This gives you how many 3x are there? So the denominator is same, simply you add numerators. That will give you 3 by 3x. 3 by 3x means that will give you 3 by 3x. That 3 by 3x is nothing but 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 15 by 17 here if you wish to find the value of x. So x will become equal to what dear? 1 by x is 15 by 17. That gives you x equal to what? 17 by 15. Hence we can say that the answer must be what? 17 by 15. Hence it should be option C. Right? Please make a note of it. So there are two types that will come, where there will be a scope for you to make the bases equal. The other way is what? If you cannot make the bases equal, there is other way, like you establish the relationship between A, B and C, and then we apply the logic that is being taught over there. Right? Chalo. Is that clear? Shall I move on to the next problem? Right? Any doubt from anyone? Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Right? Okay, dear. Next one. This is another important model that is appearing in staff selection commission based exams. If x equal to minus 1, then the value of 1 by x to the power of 99 plus 1 by x to the power of 98 plus 1 by x to the power of 97 and so on. Like this they will give you the relation. Just remember, negative or minus 1 to the power of even will always be equal to plus 1. Minus 1 to the power of odd is always equal to minus 1. This is one thing you should know. Other thing. So we know that 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, 1 by 1 will be equal to what? 1. Only these things we will be using in cracking this problem. Now going ahead with. If you are putting x equal to minus 1 over here, minus 1 whole to the power of odd, this will become minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 will give you minus 1. This will give you minus 1, this will give you plus 1. Similarly, this will give you minus 1, this will give you plus 1. So this I am making it as a combination. Minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. Here also minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. Because this expression will become minus 1, this will become plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. Similarly, 1 even, 1 odd. So this will also be what? Minus 1 plus 1, that will also be 0. Now I am left with only what? 1 by x minus 1. So only this last part is left. So all these parts are what? Zeros only straight away. So here you substitute x equal to minus 1. This will give you 1 by minus 1, minus 1. This will give you how much, dear? Minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1 will be equal to how much? Minus 2, minus 2. As simple as that. Hence your answer has to be what? Option C. So I repeat, I am just going for the very basics here. Minus 1 to the power of even will always give you plus 1. Similarly, minus 1 to the power of odd will always give you minus 1. Second, 1 by minus 1 will give you minus 1. 1 by 1 will give you 1. Now going ahead with, if I am substituting minus 1 over here, minus 1 to the power of odd will give you minus 1. So that will give you 1 by minus 1 will give you minus 1. So this will become minus 1. This will become plus 1 because 1 by minus 1 to the power of even will give you plus 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. So here minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Like that all these sets will become 0. We will be left with only this expression where I will be putting x equal to minus 1 here. That gives you minus 1 as the result. Minus 1 again. So minus 1 will add up to how much? Minus 2. Is that clear? Please make a note of it. Any doubt? Any doubt? You can raise the doubt in the chat box. If you have any doubt, please tell me so that I will repeat. No doubt everyone is giving minus 2, option C, that is perfect. Perfect. Okay, dear. Let's move on to the next one. Now here, if it is given as x equal to minus 1 or plus 1 like that, substituting that and getting the answer is okay. But if the value of x is given as some large number like 11 here, if x equal to 11, they are asking you for x to the power of 5 minus 12 into x to the power of 4 plus 12 into x cube. Putting the value of x as 11 over there is dangerous. So instead of you putting x equal to 11 over there, please remember, if they are giving you x as 11 over here, here the coefficients will be given as 12. If x is given as 15 here, coefficients will be given as 14 here. I will tell you why. Right. Sorry, if it is 15 here, that will be 16 here. So whatever is the coefficient you are getting here will be 1 more than the value that is given here. What is the reason? Let me show. There will be a relation over here. So the relationship is this. Here, x to the power of 5 minus 12x to the power of 4. If you are taking x to the power of 4 as common, you just write it like this. X to the power of 4, x to the power of 5 minus 11x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4, I can say. Next, plus this will give you how much? plus 12x cube minus 12x square. So this can be written as plus 11x cube plus x cube. Next it will be minus 11x square minus x square, right? I can take this as common, right? Plus 11x plus x minus 1. Why should I write it like this? Because here, if you take x power 4 as common, you are left with x here, you are left with 11 over there. Similarly, minus x cube, if you take common in the second one, minus x cube, you will be left with x in this, minus 11 over here. Again, you take plus x square as common, you will be left with what here? X minus 11. Next, you take minus 1 as common here, minus x as common here. You are left with what? X minus 11 plus x minus 1 finally. So why they will give it as 1 more than the given value here is because this 12 coefficient can be converted into 11 when you write the expression like this, and as we know x equal to 11 over here, that if it is substituted in this place, what will happen? Everything will become 0 except the last part, So here everything will be 0 because if I am putting x equal to 11, 11 minus 11 will be 0. So x power 4 into 0 will be 0 only. So this will be what? 0. This will be 0. This will be 0. Finally you are left with what? Plus x minus 11. X is nothing but 11 minus 1. So x minus 1. You are left with what? X minus 1. X minus 1. So x is 11. 11 minus 1 will be your answer. That gives you how much, dear? 11 minus 1 should give you how much? 10. Hence your answer has to be 10. So in this type of problems, they generally will manage like this. And the one thing that you have to understand is, in this type of problems, if at all you are having minus 1 at the end, so what experience taught us is, if at all you are coming across this type of problems, and if at all you are having minus 1 at the end, your answer will be 1 less than x, 1 less than x. If at all you are having minus 1 at the end, your answer will be 1 less than x. If at all you are having plus 1 over there, your answer will be 1 more than x. That much guaranteed it is. Because whenever this type of large numbers are given over here, they are always giving the sets in this manner only, where you will be left with finally with one x and the last number whatever is given. Maybe if it is given as plus 1, you will be left with x plus 1. If at all it is given as minus 1, you will be left with x minus 1. But don't learn blindly like that. I am just showing you the proof also, why it has come and how it has come. If you know this process, there is no scope of you forgetting it. That's why know how the shortcut has come. Once you understand how the shortcut has arrived, you can easily do it without doing all these things in the exam. You can directly do it there. Right? Know the procedure always. That is always recommended. Please make a note of it. Any doubt in this one? Anywhere? 10, 10. 2 people have given it as 10. That's perfect. That's right. No doubt? Okay. Can I move on? Let's have a look at the next one. So see, whatever are the problems that I am taking up over here are those models that are guaranteed in SSC based exams. These are the repeatedly asked problems based on the concepts. So please do focus on each and every model that I am discussing properly. Right, dear? Next. This is a basic one. The reciprocal of x plus 1 by x is the reciprocal of x plus 1 by x. See, generally the mistake that people are doing here is when they say the reciprocal of x plus 1 by x, they are taking the reciprocal of x. Reciprocal of x is what? 1 by x. Reciprocal of 1 by x is what? X. They are taking it as 1 by x plus x. That is there in the option. But please remember that is wrong. That is a trap there. So whenever you are taking the reciprocal of any expression, you should have single numerator and single denominator. So this is wrong. So if you want the reciprocal of x plus 1 by x plus x plus 1 by x, simplify it into a single fraction. So x square plus 1, x square plus 1 by x. This is the expression. I want the reciprocal of this one. So if you want the reciprocal of that one, you interchange numerator and denominator. So that will give you how much, dear? X by x square plus 1. So x by x square plus 1. Hence your answer has to be what? X by x square plus 1. That should be option A. This is a very fundamental problem that we have seen in SSC CGL. Done? Is that clear, everyone? X by x square plus 1. Dinesh, yes, you are right. That's correct. Right? Chalo. Next one. Now let us understand some derivations here so that we can see the problems related to the applications of them. So what are those? We already know that a plus b whole square is always equal to a square plus b square. In place of b, I have 1 by a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a into 1 by a. What is happening to a and a? It is getting cancelled. That's why it is looking like a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. So here, if you want, sometimes what will happen, just observe. They will give you the value of a plus 1 by a as some p. If a plus 1 by a is equal to p, a square plus 1 by a square will become how much, you check. A square plus 1 by a square will be equal to what? So if a plus 1 by a is equal to p, a square plus 1 by a square will be equal to what? P square. This plus 2 will go that side. That will become what? Minus 2. So a square plus 1 by a square will be equal to what? P square minus 2. Directly you can say this. How they will give you the question based on this in the exam, sir? Let us understand with a simple example here. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 16, they will ask you find x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square. So you can simply say that x square plus 1 by x square can be equated to x square plus 1 by x square must be equal to p square minus 2. That is 16 square minus 2. That will give you how much, dear? 256 minus 2 will give you 254. 254. Like this you can directly get it, provided you remember this relationship as a formula. I repeat, don't blindly by heart it without knowing how it has come. If you can relate it to this expression here, you can easily memorize this one. Similarly, you may be given a minus 1 by a, right? Let us go ahead with that. A minus 1 by a whole square. So a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus b square. In place of b, I have 1 by a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here AB is nothing but A into 1 by A, that will get cancelled, you are left with 2 there. Hence I can say that A square plus 1 by A square. So what they will do, if A minus 1 by A is given as P, from this I can say that A square plus 1 by A square will be equal to what, dear? If I keep P over here, a square plus 1 by a square will be equal to p square minus 2 goes that side. That will become p square plus 2. So this will be the relation now. So p square plus 2. Say for example you have a problem like this. If a minus 1 by a is equal to 5, find a square a square plus 1 by a square, they say. A square plus 1 by a square is equal to how much? So I can simply say that a square plus 1 by a square must be equal to p square plus 2. In place of p I have 5. So that is 5 square plus 2. That will give you how much, dear? 27. 27. Is this clear? Are you comfortable with these two formulae I have discussed? Based on this, I will be deriving the other set of formulae. If you are not comfortable with this, please let me know so that I will discuss. Right? Any doubts? Any doubts? Please do respond. You can leave your message in that live chat box so that I can respond accordingly. No doubts? Comfortable? Chalo dear. I'm moving on to the next one. Next. We know that general formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So in the same manner, we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In the same manner, in place of b I have 1 by a. This is a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. This will give you how much, dear? A square minus b square. That will give you a square minus, in place of b I have 1 by a. In place of b I have 1 by a. So a square minus 1 by a whole square. So a square minus 1 by a whole square. On simplification, it looks like a square minus 1 by a square. Right? So this is how we got this relation. So it is a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a equal to a square minus 1 by a square. Right? Please make a note of it. Next, cubic equation I am going to. So it is looking like a plus b whole cube. So we know that a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula we have already learnt in yesterday's session. Now I am extending it to, in place of b, I am taking 1 by a. If I take 1 by a here, it comes out to be a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to a cube plus, in place of b, I will put 1 by a. That will give you a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3ab means 3 into a into, in place of b I have 1 by a into a plus 1 by a, which gives you a gets cancelled. It will be equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. So what they do is, if it is given as a plus 1 by a value is known, let us say, if a plus 1 by a value is known, if a plus 1 by a is given as, if a plus 1 by a is given as p, from this I can say that a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to what? I am having p cube here. So this will give you p cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into p, I can say. So this is nothing but p now, p cube equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3p. From this I can say that a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to p cube minus 3p. p cube minus 3p. That's the relation, right? Based on this, how the questions will come, I will show you, but try to know how this relationship has come. Is that clear? Can you relate it to that previous knowledge we have got yesterday? So you should be in a position to relate everything to what we have already learned. Don't learn the things independently. All are interrelated. It all depends on how you receive the subject. You can always link one idea with the other so that you can memorize it easily. You need not by heart anything without knowing any proof. Know the proof behind every relation we get, whatever we are applying in the competitive examination. Because the no shortcut will come without any proof. For every shortcut we give, there will be a proof. When you know the reason behind how it has come, it becomes easy for you to memorize it, right? Please observe that. If there is any doubt in this, please leave a message, right? Any doubt? No? No doubt. Okay. Manoj Kumar, yes sir, okay. Done? Next dear, let us see the other relation. So from this what we have learned, if a plus 1 by a is given as p, then a cube plus 1 by a cube will be equal to p cube minus 3p, right? Next relation. So same thing, whatever I have written, I am just writing it over here. It is looking like, if you take this as p, a cube plus 1 by a cube will become what? P cube minus 3p, p cube minus 3p. It's like this. They may be giving in the exam like this. If a plus 1 by a equal to 8, then find a cube plus 1 by a cube, they will ask you for. That is how much. There we can directly apply the formula. Na? So a cube plus 1 by a cube must be equal to p cube minus 3p, which is nothing but 512 minus 3 8s are 24. Will give you how much dear? 488. I just have removed 24 from 512. That will give you how much? 488. Getting it? So are you understanding the application of that formula? So it becomes this easy if you can memorize that formula. Or otherwise what will happen? You will be substituting that a plus 1 by a in the equation we got over there. It will take more time and space for you in the exam, which is not recommended. Right? Check, any doubt in this? Any doubt? Please respond so that I can understand whether you are comfortable or not. Please leave a message. 488 Rajshekhar, that is correct. Right? The answer is correct, dear. So let's go ahead with the next one. Next, a cube minus 1 by a cube I am trying to go for. So this I have derived from a minus 1 by a whole cube logic. So what they do is, they will give you a minus 1 by a value. If a minus 1 by a is equal to p, then a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 1 by a cube will be equal to p cube plus 3p, p cube plus 3p, right? So in place of a minus 1 by a, you put p here. This will become p cube plus 3 into p. So that will be equal to what? P cube plus 3p. If they are giving you a minus 1 by a, they will ask you for odd powers over here. When odd powers are there, you will have minus. If even powers are there, you will have plus. That I will show in the concluding list. So I will give you one list where all the formulas are written. I am just trying to show you the proofs of some major identities that we have already learnt yesterday. Right here. Next. Chalo. So what is given over here? x minus 1 by x is given as 4, then x plus 1 by x is equal to. It is as good as a minus b is given, they are asking you for a plus b. So we know that a minus b and a plus b relation is what? A plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square plus 4ab we know. 4ab we know. So from this I can say that a plus b is equal to a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square plus 4ab, and I have to take the square root of it, square root of it. In the same manner, in place of a and b, if I take x and 1 by x, what will happen here? X plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x will be equal to x minus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x whole square, x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4 into x into 1 by x. So 4 into x into 1 by x will give you 1. So that will give you plus 4, because x into 1 by x will give you 1. Now dear, I need x plus 1 by x. I know x minus 1 by x. You simply substitute the value of that. So this will give you how much, dear? So this gives you x minus 1 by x is nothing but 4, that is mentioned in the problem. So this will be 4 square plus 4. That's coming out to be 16 plus 4, 20. So square root of 20 is what I want. If you take 4, like 20 as 4 into 5, 4 out, so that will give you what? Square root of 4 will be 2. So that will be 2 into root 5. Hence your answer should be what? 2 into root 5. 2 into root 5. So here also we can learn one formula. What is the formula? If x plus 1 by x you wish to find, if x minus 1 by x is given as a p, let us say, x plus 1 by x equal to what? Square root of p square plus 4. By giving you x minus 1 by x, if they are asking you for x plus 1 by x, this is how we do. Sometimes they will give you x plus 1 by x, they will ask you for x minus 1 by x. Then that will come out to be how much? A minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Na? That's why if you want x minus 1 by x, you can directly say it as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4 here, minus 4. So if you can observe it, if you know this relation here, this relation you can easily understand. Without knowing this, understanding this will be confusing for you. Right, dear? So your answer should be what? 2 root 5. Hence it should be option B. Option B. Please check it and tell me if there is any doubt in this. Any doubt? Please leave a message in that live chat. Yeah, please share the link with your friends so that others can also watch and get benefited. And please like the video. Right? No doubt. Right. Next one. Going ahead with the list of formulae here, please observe this. This is the list that you have to mandatorily remember. I'll give you the method to remember this also. If x plus 1 by x is given, they will give you x plus 1 by x value. They will ask you to find any of these values, x square, x cube, x power 4, something like this. So here if x plus 1 by x is given as p, x square plus 1 by x square we have already seen. This will give you p square minus 2, p square minus 2. So here one thing that you have to observe in the formulae is, if they are asking you for x square, you will be having square over here. If they are asking you for cube here, you will be having cube here. If they are asking you for power 4 here, you will be having power 4. After that, how that powers will change, you observe. Right, dear? Now check. This is like this. P square minus 2 into the power should decrease by 2. So that will become p power 0, which is 1. So that's why it just looks like p square minus 2. If you look at this one, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to p cube minus 3 into this coefficient you have to remember. P cube minus 3 into power is 3 here, it will become 1 here. After that you don't have any other scope to get other powers of p, na? Stop it there. Powers of p can never go into negative. So finally at last it can go is what? 0. Now check power 4. P power 4 minus 4 into power 4 is there, it will become power 2. So 4p square plus 2. And the signs here will be alternating. Minus plus minus plus minus minus plus minus. Right? This thing you have to remember. I repeat, I'll take you to this list whenever the problems are coming, but ensure that you are memorizing it. Memorizing the formula is a must. I repeat, if x plus 1 by x is given as p, x square plus 1 by x square will be p square minus 2. X cube plus 1 by x cube will be p cube minus 3p, because power will decrease by 2 here. Here p power 4 minus 4p square plus 2. Next here it will be p power 5 minus 5p cube plus 5p. Here the power is decreasing by 2 every time. It is p power 1 here. So here it is p power 6 minus 6p power 4 plus 9p square minus 2. Getting it? Is that clear? So what, like how you can remember the coefficients over here? First one is 1, 2, 1, 2. Next coefficients are 1, 3. For square, coefficients are 1 and 2, coefficients here. For cube, coefficients are 1 and 3. For power 4, coefficients are 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2. For power 5, coefficients are 1, 5, 5. For power 6, coefficients are 1, 6, 9, 2. These coefficients, if you can remember, you can easily write the formula. And remember, when x plus 1 by x is given, x plus 1 by x is given, all the values that they are going to ask over here will be what? In between plus only will be there. Plus only will be there. If they are asking you for x cube minus 1 by x cube, then what you should do? From x plus 1 by x, you need to find the value of x minus 1 by x. Then you have to apply the formula accordingly. I'll show you that in the next list. Right? So here, the two observations you have to have is what? If at all I am going for x square plus 1 by x square, the power of this p will start with 2 and it keeps on decreasing by 2 every time. So here it is starting with 3. Coefficients you have to remember are what? These things. So here 1, 1, 1, 1, this is same. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the difference is increasing by, this is 2, 5, 9. Difference is 3 here, difference is 4. Next to 2. So these things you can easily remember. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 5, 1, 6, 9, 2. Right? Now let us see. If x minus 1 by x is given as p. Let me show an example for this list that will be, so that it will become easy for you to memorize. Let me go ahead with x plus 1 by x value. Now I want the answers here. If x plus 1 by x, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Let us find all the possible values over here. X plus 1 by x equal to 4. From this you tell me x square plus 1 by x square value, dear. X square plus 1 by x square value will be what? P square. It is looking like x plus 1 by x equal to p. Hence I can say that x square plus 1 by x square equal to what? P square minus 2. In place of p I have 4. Hence it will be what? P square minus 2. That will give you how much, dear? 14. Similarly, if they ask you for x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube, that will be equal to p cube minus 3p, 3 into 4. This will give you how much, dear? 64 minus 12. That is giving you how much, dear? 52. Right? Next one. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is how much? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So that will be equal to p power 4 minus 4 into p square plus 2 into p power 0. P power 0 is nothing but 1, leave it. So this is nothing but p power 4 minus 4p square plus 2. That's the formula I have shown. P power 4 minus 4p square plus 2. Is that clear? So now going ahead with. So 4 power 4 is nothing but how much dear? That is 2 power 8, which will give you 256. 256 minus 64 plus 2. 256 minus 64 plus 2. From 256, you remove 56. That will give you 200. I have already removed 56. I need to remove how much more? 8 more. That will give you how much? 200 minus 8. That will give me 192. For 192, you add 2 here. That will give you how much, dear? 194. 194. Is that clear? Please go through that. If there is any doubt, you just let me know so that I will find the next set. X power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. Right? Any doubt? Everyone? Right. Previous question. A plus b whole square. What doubt is there in that? Yes? What doubt is there, Dinesh? This one only? Right? Chalo. So a plus b whole square is nothing but a minus b whole square plus 4ab. That's what we have learned in the previous session. So based on that, a plus b, if I want, I'll just take the square root here. So square root of a minus b whole square plus 4ab. In place of a plus b, I have x plus 1 by x. So in place of a, I have x. In place of b, I have 1 by x. So then that will become equal to what? X minus 1 by x whole square plus 4 into x into 1 by x. X into 1 by x will give you how much? 1. That's why it will remain what? 4. Is that clear? Dinesh. Is that the one you are talking about, Dinesh? Revant, can you derive the formula? We can derive it, dear. It's not a big deal. I'll just show you. I'm giving you the hint, right? Like how I am deriving each and every formula. Nothing is being taught blindly. This one, for you to derive it further, it will just waste our time. That's the reason I didn't do that. So these two things anyway we have already derived. If I want x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, what I have to do? You just take this one and take square of that again. So that will give you how much? I'll just show you here. So here, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 if I want, we know that, I'll just show you so that you will get the idea. If x plus 1 by x is equal to p, x plus 1 by x equal to p. From this I can say that x square plus 1 by x square equal to what? P square minus 2. This I have already derived. If I want x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, what I should do? Just square this one. You imagine this as x plus 1 by x. You imagine this as x plus 1 by x equal to, you imagine this as p. That will give you x square plus 1 by x square will be equal to how much again? X square plus 1 by x square equal to p square minus 2. Na? In place of p I have p square minus 2. This whole square minus 2. On solving this one, this will give you the relation as what? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. That will become equal to what? Just square it. This will give you how much, dear? It is looking like a minus b whole square. Na? A square. A square means p square whole square plus b square, which is nothing but 2 square, that is 4, minus 2ab, that is minus 4p square minus 2. On simplifying this one, this will give you how much? P power 4 minus 4p square plus 2. That's what I have given in the formula. Na? So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, we are getting it as what? This one, p power 4 minus 4p square plus 2. But in the exam, keep on deriving the things like that will waste your time. Right? While practicing, yes, I recommend you to know the derivation behind, but try to remember some things. It's better to memorize the formulae over here rather than deriving them in the exam. If you know the process of derivation, say suppose you forgot this formula, let us say by any chance, then you can go back to that fundamental method. Is that clear, Revant? Any other doubt, Revant? Dinesh, it is clear, right? No other doubts for any other? Sure. Can I move on to the next list of formulae? Right, dear. Okay, let me go ahead with the next set. Now, we have already seen if x plus 1 by x is equal to p, the formulae. Here, if they are giving you x minus 1 by x, please remember, for even powers over here, plus will come. For odd powers here, minus will come. Please observe that one. For even powers, in between plus will be there. For odd powers, you will have minus in between. That is one observation we should have. And in the previous one, in the previous list, we were getting the signs in the formula alternately, minus, 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 plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Whereas in this set, signs will always remain positive. So it will be, if x minus 1 by x equal to p, then x square plus 1 by x square is p square plus 2. Same as previous, only thing that you have to understand is signs will be positive always, same coefficients will be there, same other logics will follow. If at all you are willing to find x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, you will be starting off with p power 4. So coefficients in case of 4 are what? 1, 4, 2. So that will be p power 4 plus 4p square plus 2. So powers of p, you will keep on reducing it by 2 every time. Getting it? Just go through the list once. Go through the list once. Let's go for the problems based on this. Is that clear, dear everyone? Right, please do share the video link with your friends also so that they also can join in live. And please do subscribe to our Online SSC YouTube channel also so that you will get the notifications whenever we are going for live or posting any new materials, so that you can stay connected with us. Right? Everyone? Shall I move on to the next one, dear? Please respond, please respond. Okay, chalo. Let's go for the problems now. What is given here? X minus 1 by x is 5, then x square plus 1 by x square is how much? So here, you know, it is x minus 1 by x is equal to 5. It is looking like x minus 1 by x equal to p. If you want x square plus 1 by x square, that will be equal to what? If at all you are having square here, you will be starting off with p square plus 2p. P square plus 2p. So power p square plus 2p power 0 will come, no? As I already told you, powers will decrease by 2. So that's why p square plus 2p power 0 means this will become 1. So I need not write that. So I can simply say p square plus 2 straight away. Apply the formula, substitute the values over there, you can directly get the answer. So we know that p is how much, dear? 5. 5 square plus 2 will be your answer. That is how much? 27. Please be careful. Sometimes people do the mistake of taking the formula as p square minus 2. That matching answer will also be available in the options. Check. 27 is the right answer. If you do the mistake, 23 will become the answer for you, which is wrong. So that's why please be careful while applying the formula. Say suppose, no sir, I forgot the formula there, what I should do? Then go for traditional approach. You simply square on both the sides. When you are squaring on both the sides here, if you are squaring on both the sides here, that will give you what? A minus b whole square. That will be equal to a square plus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab means 2 into x into 1 by x. That is equal to how much, dear? 5 square. Just squaring on both the sides now. So what will happen? X and x will get cancelled over here. That leads to x square plus 1 by x square is equal to what? 5 square plus 2, 5 square plus 2. That will give you how much, dear? 27. This is the advantage of knowing how the formula has come. So if you forget the exact formula here, you can always go with the basic method. The basic method is derived from the basic identities that we have already learned in the previous session, like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and all. Is that clear, everyone? Are you getting the answers? Getting it? "27, 27, 27, perfect. That's right, everyone. Good. Chalo, try this one, please. Try this one. Right? No doubts? Okay. Okay, dear. It is given as what? X plus 1 by x is 4, then the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So if you remember the formula, I am just writing every time just to x plus 1 by x equal to p. Then x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 should be equal to, right, p power 4. So here it is given is what? X plus 1 by x. So signs will be alternating. P power 4 minus 4p square plus 2. Right? Substitute the values here. That is given as 4. I think we have already seen with the same number. So this will be 4 power 4 minus 4 into 4 square plus 2. This will give you how much, dear? 256 minus 64 plus 2. That must be equal to how much? 194. Previously I have taken one example while discussing the formula. There I have taken x plus 1 by x equal to 4 only. So we have already done this. 194, that should be the right answer. Right, dear? Everyone? No doubt? Shall I move on to the next problem? Chalo, please try this. Here I have given x minus 1 by x as p. X minus 1 by x value is given. If x minus 1 by x is p, I want x cube minus 1 by x cube. Some people got it out. Sir, they gave x minus 1 by x value here. They are asking you for x cube plus 1 by x cube. Here what I should do? To get x cube plus 1 by x cube, you must know the value of x plus 1 by x. From x minus 1 by x, you extract the value of x plus 1 by x with the formula that I have already given. After getting x plus 1 by x value, equating that to p, again you apply the formula for x cube plus 1 by x cube. So, if x minus 1 by x is given here, directly we can go for only x cube minus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube, we cannot directly apply the formula here. For that we have to derive x plus 1 by x first, then only we have to apply the formula there. Keep this in mind. Now going ahead with here. So here x cube minus 1 by x cube, that will give you how much? We know that x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is equal to what? P. We want x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube plus 3p power 1. So that is 3p. P cube plus 3p. In place of p, I have 3, that is 3 cube plus 3p, that is 3 into 3. 27 plus 9, that should be equal to how much? 36. 27 plus 9 should be equal to 36. Please make a note of this. Please tell me if there are any doubts. 36, 36, 36. Bhagyalakshmi, Ahmad Nawaz, Damini Yadav, Rajshekhar, everyone. Perfect. All are correct. Sri Mahalakshmi. Good. Comfortable in getting the answers, no doubts? Everyone? Can I move on to the next problem? Okay, dear. I'm just moving on to the next one. Shall please try this? This is interesting. I have given x plus 1 by x. I have given x plus 1 by x. I am asking you for x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5. So to get the value of x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5, first you should know the value of what? X minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x. Please find x minus 1 by x first. Right? Check dear. So if I want x minus 1 by x, I can directly say that x minus 1 by x is equal to square root of x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4. Right? This we have already seen. Substitute the value of x plus 1 by x here. So this will give you how much, dear? This gives you x plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to 9. 3 square, ne? So 9 minus 4. So this is 9, I am directly writing 9 minus 4. Square root of 9 minus 4 must be equal to what? Square root of 5. Right, dear. Going ahead further. So here, with the help of this one, I can now get the value of x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5. X power 5 minus 1 by x power 5 if I want. X power 5 minus 1 by x power 5 if I want. So what will happen? So this can be obtained like this. So if I want x power 5, what will it be? Formula p power 5 minus 5p cube, right, plus 5p if at all it is x plus 1 by x equal to p. But here we know x minus 1 by x equal to p. Na? So x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5 will be equal to p power 5 plus 5p cube plus 5p, because I told you all the signs will be positive over here. Substitute the values of p over here. This gives you how much, dear? This gives you p power 5. So p is nothing but root 5 power 5 now. So x minus 1 by x will be taken as p, dear. Please observe that. If x minus 1 by x is taken as p, in that case formula will be this. X power 5 minus 1 by x power 5 will be this. Root 5 to the power of 5 plus 5 into root 5 whole cube plus 5 into root 5. Right? So this will give you how much, dear? So this gives you root 5 whole to the power of 5 means root 5 whole power 4 into root 5 I can say. So root 5 whole power 4 is nothing but root 5 whole square is 5. Another root 5 whole square is 5. So root 5 whole power 4 is nothing but 5 square, that is 25. This gives you 25 root 5 plus root 5 whole cube. Root 5 whole cube is nothing but 5 root 5. So that will give you how much? Another 25 root 5 plus another 5 root 5 here. So overall it will come out to be how much, dear? 55 root 5. Your answer should be 55 root 5. Don't worry, like options, there is a mistake in the options given here. So it should be 55 root 5 only. Right. So don't take these options here. If at all, this itself is directly given as x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x equal to 3. So then you might have directly applied the formula by taking this as p. But here they have given it as what? X plus 1 by x equal to p here. So first from x plus 1 by x you have to get the value of x minus 1 by x. By assuming this x minus 1 by x as p, you have to apply the formula here. right? That's the correction here, right? So correct answer is 55 root 5 only, right? Just make a note of it. There is any doubt, you just let me know. Right? 123 someone is getting. I'll tell you why you are getting 123. You are getting 123 for this one only, Bhagyalakshmi? For this one or earlier ones? Right, what if, let us see. What if it is directly given as x minus 1 by x equal to 3? Let us say, I'm just showing it here. If x minus 1 by x is directly given as 3, let us say, then x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5 will be what? You need not derive anything. X minus 1 by x is already known as p. Simply apply the formula. So that will give you p power 5 minus 5p cube, 5p cube, sorry, plus 5p cube plus 5p. So that will give you how much? 5 into p, that is 3. So going ahead with, this will give you how much, dear? 3 power 5, that is 243. 243 plus 5 into 3 cube is 27. 27 5 is 135 plus 5 3 is 15. Will add up to how much? 243 plus 150. That will give you how much? 393. So your answer will become 393 provided that is directly given as x minus 1 by x equal to what? 3. So here just check the options also for your clarity. Right? So here you don't have that option also. The reason being there is a mistake that is being typed over here in the options. So anyway, just take it as 55 root 5. If x minus 1 by x is directly given as 3, then your answer will become how much? 393. So I repeat, just to memorize the formula here, I told you what is the first one, what is the first coefficients we were getting? 1, 2, next to 1, 3. This is for squares, this is for cubes. Power 4s, what is the power we are getting? 1, 4, 2. For power 5, we were getting 1, 5, 5. And how to memorize here? If it is power like power 3 x cube minus 1 by x cube or x cube plus 1 by x cube, here we will be getting p cube plus or minus here, that is 3p. Power will decrease by 2 every time, coefficients will be this is what you have to remember. So if I want x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5, I will be having the coefficients as what? 1, 5 and 5. So p power 5 plus 5p cube plus 5p. So I am just substituting the values over there, right? Nothing else I am doing, right dear? Is that clear? Everyone? 122.9. What is 122.9, Bhagyalakshmi? Right dear. So let us go for this one. Okay. So 2x plus 2 by x equal to 3, then the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube plus 2 is, okay. So here it is given as the value of what is given? 2x plus 2 by x. You take 2 common here. If you are taking 2 common, that will come out to be what, dear? If you take 2 common, that will give you x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is equal to how much? 3. So 2 into x plus 1 by x equal to 3, that will give you x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x equal to what? 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So you know the value of x plus 1 by x here, x plus 1 by x here. We want the value of what? X cube minus 1 by x cube plus 2. X cube minus 1 by x cube plus 2 we want. Now going ahead with, you just find the value of x minus 1 by x. From x plus 1 by x, you find the value of x minus 1 by x. Then go for applying the formula for x cube minus 1 by x cube and solve that one. Right? I am just giving you the hint. You just go ahead with the solution for this. Right? Can you do that? Everyone? Chalo, go ahead. Next one. This is reverse way of giving identities, right? X square plus 1 by x square is given as 81. Then x cube minus 1 by x cube is what? X square plus 1 by x square is given. From this, you want x cube minus 1 by x cube means try to get x minus 1 by x. How can I get x minus 1 by x here? You just go ahead like this. X square plus 1 by x square, a square plus b square minus 2 I'll add. Actually 2 into x square into 1 by x square I am adding for our convenience. So on this side also what you have to do, 83 minus 2 into x square into 1 by x square I am taking. That's what I can say. X square anyway gets cancelled. So this will give you how much, dear? This will be, it is looking like a square plus b square plus 2ab. So don't take x square, you just take x and 1 by x, that's enough. So 2ab. So here also 2ab. So here a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this left side I am taking it as minus 2ab, right side also take it as minus 2ab, so that when I am adding the same number on both the sides of equality, equality remains as it is. Now going ahead with, this will become equal to what? X minus 1 by x whole square. X minus 1 by x whole square is equal to how much, dear? 81. Because after x getting cancelled over here, I am left with 83 minus 2, that will be 81. From this I can get x minus 1 by x value. So x minus 1 by x must be equal to what, dear? 9. X minus 1 by x whole square is 81. So x minus 1 by x must be 9. Now I got x minus 1 by x equal to p. I want what? X cube minus 1 by x cube. This I can directly say it as what? If x minus 1 by x is equal to p, x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to what, dear? P cube plus 3p. Substitute the value of p here. What is the value of p here? 9. Substitute 9 here. That is 9 cube plus 3 into 9. So this will give you how much, dear? 729 plus 27. That will give you how much? 756. 756. Is that clear? Please make a note of it. Acha, Bhagyalakshmi, you are saying 55 root 5, that is nearly 123. Okay. They did not ask the question like approximately how much. If they say approximately, you can take it as that. But they didn't use the word approximately there. Right? That's right. That is well tried. Just telling you. Right, dear? Everyone? Okay. Comfortable here? Can I move on to the next problem? Any doubt? Any doubt from anyone? No? Please respond. Right, dear. Just moving ahead. Right. This is another one. You try this one, you will get some idea. So here, earlier I have given the power as 2. Here I am giving you the power as 4. Power as 4. Now check. From this you have to get, you need x cube minus 1 by x cube here. You need x cube minus 1 by x cube. I'll just tell you one simple hint here. If at all you are having plus here. Right, dear? So this will give you how much? First you try to get this value. If you are adding 2 to this, that will become a perfect square. So from this I can say that m power 4 plus 1 by m power 4. Right? So if I take minus 2 here, I have to put minus 2 on the other side, that will not become a perfect square. So I'll just put it as plus 2. So plus 2 into m square into 1 by m square. It is like m square is nothing but x, let us say. This is like x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x, something like that. That must be equal to 119 plus 2 into m square into 1 by m square, I can say. So that will get cancelled. So that it becomes a formula. It is looking like a square plus b square plus 2ab. That will be equal to a plus b whole square. So that will be m square plus 1 by m square whole square is equal to how much, dear? M square plus 1 by m square equal to 119 plus 2. 119 plus 2, which is nothing but 121. From this I can say that m square plus 1 by m square is equal to how much? 11. M square plus 1 by m square equal to 11. From this I can say that m minus m square plus 1 by m square minus 2 into that one if I do. So that will give you how much? M square, let me write it in detail. M square plus 1 by m square minus 2 into m into 1 by m is equal to 11 minus 2 into m into 1 by m. This mm gets cancelled. So this will give you how much, dear? This will give you m minus 1 by m whole square. M minus 1 by m whole square equal to 9. From this I can say that m minus 1 by m is equal to what? 3. M minus 1 by m equal to 3. If m minus 1 by m equal to 3, from that m cube, like x cube minus 1 by x cube I can find. So here this is not x cube, dear, this is m cube. This should be m cube minus 1 by m cube. That should be the value. Right? Now going ahead with. So here we know that m minus 1 by m is equal to 3. So if I want m cube minus 1 by m cube, that will be equal to what? P cube plus 3p, that is 3 into 3. This gives you how much, dear? 27 plus 9, that will give you 36. 36. Is that clear? Now go ahead. Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt from anyone? So there is one shortcut also. With experience we can do one thing here. I'll just tell you that if at all you are having power 4, right, 36. 36 should be right. Right, dear? If at all you are having the relation in power 4, how you can directly get x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x? Let me tell you. Is everyone done with this one? Can I remove? Chalo. Say suppose you are having m power 4 plus 1 by m power 4 is given as 119. Let us say. You simply add 2 on both the sides. That will give you m square plus 1 by m square whole square is equal to 121. That will give you how much? Square root of 121, I can say. 119 plus 2. If I am adding plus 2 into m square into 1 by m square on this side and both the sides, this will become m square plus 1 by m square whole square, that is equal to 119 plus 2. Directly I will take the square root of this one. So square root of 121 will give you how much, dear? 11. Now again you have this one. So if you want m plus 1 by, like if at all you are willing to get m plus 1 by m, you will add plus 2 here, plus 2 on the other side also. If you want m minus 1 by m, so what you have to do? Minus 2 on both the sides. That will give you how much, dear? M square plus 1 by m square minus 2 into m into 1 by m. That will give you m minus 1 by m whole square. So m minus 1 by m whole square means m minus 1 by m whole square. Right here. So m minus 1 by m whole square you will get, provided you are adding minus 2 on both the sides. M minus 1 by m whole square equal to, I am having 11 over there, minus 2 I will put here. So square root of 11 minus 2, that will become what? Square root of 9. That will become how much? 3. This way of thinking will come with experience. Unless you experience what I have done over here personally, you cannot remember the procedure behind that. That's why I strongly recommend you to go for this method first while learning. Once you are a master in this one, once you understand the procedure over here, each and every step, directly you can do in this manner. Because you can directly imagine the steps here. That's the advantage we have. Right? So after getting this m minus 1 by m equal to p here, m cube minus 1 by m cube, you can easily getting it. Chalo, let's go ahead. Next one. Right. X square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, then the value of x plus 1 by x is. So x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, then the value of x plus 1 by x is what? Okay. So here, whenever you wish to go for solving this type of problems, you simply send x the other side. That will give you how much, dear? X square plus 1, x square plus 1 is equal to what? 3x. X square plus 1 equal to x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Send 3x to the other side. Now you divide both the sides with x. If you are dividing both the sides with x, you will get x square plus 1 by x is equal to what? 3x by x, that is 3. This gives you x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x is equal to what? 3. X plus 1 by x must be equal to 3. So your answer has to be what? Option D. Is that clear? Sometimes what they do is, they will give you some relation like this. Instead of they asking you for x plus 1 by x, they will ask you for what is x cube plus 1 by x cube, they ask. To get that x cube plus 1 by x cube, what you have to do? Get the value of x plus 1 by x. After getting the value of x plus 1 by x, apply the formula you have already learnt. Getting it? Let's move on to the next one. Next. If for non-zero x, x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0, then x square plus 1 by x square is. From this I can directly say that x square minus 1 equal to 4x, dear. By dividing with x on both the sides, I will get x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x is equal to 4. With the help of x minus 1 by x, I can directly get x square plus 1 by x square. There is a formula. If you know that x minus 1 by x equal to 4, x minus 1 by x equal to 4, then x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square is equal to p square plus 2, p square plus 2. That will give you how much, dear? 16 plus 2, that should give you how much? 18. So your answer has to be straight away 18. It should be option D. So sometimes they will ask you for x plus 1 by x, sometimes they will ask you for x square plus 1 by x square or x cube plus 1 by x cube, whatever it may be. First your target should be to ensure that you are getting the value of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x depending on the requirement in the question over there. Getting the logic? Any doubt? Any doubt for anyone? Right? Someone was getting 14 as the answer. It's not 14, dear. I told you, be careful with the formula over there. Right? Chalo. Let's go for the last problem for the day. Right, dear. Now going ahead with. So here, x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, then the value of x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square is. So this will give you how much, dear? So x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. From this you can get x square plus 1 equal to 3x if you divide both the sides with x, that will give you x plus 1 by x equal to what? 3. X plus 1 by x equal to 3. Right? Once you get x plus 1 by x, that will give you what? Here we want x square plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. If you write this as one group, this as another group, that will be what? X plus 1 by x plus x square plus 1 by x square. We know this x plus 1 by x as what? 3. This is 3 plus x square plus 1 by x square equal to what? P square minus 2. P square minus 2 means this will be 3 square minus 2. 3 square minus 2. This will give you how much, dear? 3 plus 3 square is 9. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So 3 plus 7 must give you how much? 10. Right? Is that clear with everyone? 10. Someone is saying 4. Which one you are saying as 4? 4 is not there in the options. Jeev. Bhagyalakshmi 10, that is right. Ahmad Nawaz, it's not 4 square minus 2, dear, that is 4 square plus 2. Done? Everybody? Is this clear? Right, dear. We'll be stopping it here in the next session. Tomorrow we'll be having session again at same 7 p.m. We will be going ahead with next topic in algebra, that is surds and simplification related to surds and powers. Right? That we will be doing it in tomorrow's session at 7 p.m. Right? Thank you and good night. అయిపోయిందా?